Are you hungry? Welcome back to my channel, guys. So, how's your weekend? Well, I hope your weekend was good and was great. Okay, for me, I'm so happy because we have a holiday. So, this Sunday, we don't have work. We don't have work. Okay. So, ikaw, do you have work? Sunday sa Pinas, walang work. So, appear tayo. Appear. Okay, so how's naman? How is the bagay-bagay? Okay, how's everything? Like, from starting last March nung nag-lockdown until now, August na. So, kumusta naman yung ano na nangyayari sa buhay? Ano ka na ba? Naka-adjust? Adjust ka na ba sa mga pangyayari ngayon? Like sa pandemic? Okay lang ba? Nasanay ka na ba? Or natatakot ka pa rin? Well, for me, I'm still afraid. Takot pa din ako. So, every time I go somewhere or something, so, meron talaga akong sanitizer. So, I don't want to touch anywhere. So, but when you go to mall, I'm so, the same. Still, you need to have a precaution. Kasi sabi ko nga, di ba, lahat ng mga nagkakasakit is yun yung naging pabaya. Yung kumpiyansa lang. So for us, for today's recipe, we plan, instead of going out, we plan to cook. Kasi, habang nanonood ka ng YouTube, ng Facebook, Instagram, so, may mga nakikita ka mga iba-ibang pagkain na kinakain ng iba. Are you excited? So, habang nasa bahay, chill lang dahil natatakot kang lumabas or with your family or go, like, just to relax, and forget everything about what's happening. So, kami habang nag-scroll ng Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram, anything, may nakita kaming, may mga nag-post also or nag-vlog regarding, Choco Fudge. Are you familiar with Choco Fudge? Ito yung may, yung mga binibentang naka-pack. So, ito yun din yung pambaon ko sa anak ko, si Sophie. Every time she go to school, we gave her a Choco Fudge. Kasi paborito din niya yung Choco Fudge. Meron din siyang the same, pero hindi siya Choco Fudge yung puti. Ano bang name nung puti? Creamy Fudge. Okay, so guys, today we will make a Choco Fudge brownies. Instead of going out, just stay home, make a homemade Choco Fudge. Ano mang maging risotto? Wala kami magawa, hindi kainin. Yeah! So guys, don't go anywhere. Just stay around and be ready. I will see you on how to make a homemade Choco Fudge. Okay, so enjoy watching. Just fasten your seatbelt, relax, and enjoy. Okay, so enjoy watching, guys. Are you excited? Well, I'm so excited. So, Choco Fudge, yung Choco Fudge na ginawa namin, that is very concentrated, you know. Some, when they make a Choco Fudge, they just make, you know, the normal chocolate. But itong chocolate na ginamit namin is a dark chocolate to be more healthy. So, mas healthy siya kasi hindi siya masyadong sugary. You know? May sugar na kasi. Diba nakita nyo sa ingredients, silagyan ng sugar, 1.5 cup na sugar. So, we try to make the Choco Fudge na dark chocolate. So, parang hindi siya masyadong matamis. Kasi, I love dark chocolate. Okay, so para din sa inyo, para healthy kayo. You know, the dark chocolate is healthy for your heart. So, I know you will like it. Okay, so here I prepare something. It's here. Guys, it's ready now. Ito na lang ako para mamaya. Muli dyan Choco Fudge. Ma-feel mo talaga yung pagka-dark chocolate. Do you like dark chocolate? Well, mostly, tayo mga Pilipino, gusto din natin yung dark chocolate. Pero mga ibang lahi, ayaw nila ng dark chocolate. Pero ako, gusto ko. Dahil dark na siya, guys, I decided to blend in with milk. So, kung meron ako milk. Cheers! 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 Yeah! Miss niya, glaway ka? So, enjoy making your own homemade Choco Fudge. It will be it's more fun if you eat it with your family. No? Kami siya. Ganahan ko. Medyo gahi-gahi lang, oh. Mura akong kagkaunog ko, para din akong kumain ng chocolate. Nilagyan lang ng flour. So mainit na here. So I hope guys you will try this at home. Okay? It's not that expensive. It's very affordable. Okay? Kaya niyo yan. Kung kaya namin, kaya niyo din. Okay? So, go na. Push. Cook na. Go na. Go, bye. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification button. And if you like this video, please share. And then, if you want me to shout out you on my next video, please comment below. Say shout out. Okay? Last but not the least, I want to shout out all my my Lucky Charmer family. You know who you are? Let's share love. Okay? So shout out to my Lucky Charmer family. I hope you're all safe and healthy. Okay? Yeah, so I'll see you in my next vlog. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.